Okay, let's all be seated. Thank you very much. We just like to introduce ourselves. We'll be your host for today. Ako po si Marisa. You can call me Maris. You can call me Marie. Pero the batch calls me Babs po. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit. Basta Babs po ang tawag nila sa akin. This is Che. Go ahead.
They call me Che in high school, but I'm Rosel Dizon, 1989 Camera Art Club president. I came from California. I arrived last Monday night. I made it a point to travel 7,000 miles to pay tribute to my alma mater and celebrate life with all of you, my batchmates. And I would like to thank all of you, and especially the school, because of your good foundation. They have a good impression of Filipinos in the States.
Okay, and incidentally, it's her birthday po. Yeah. It's her birthday, and it's in time for our reunion, so talagang blessed na blessed kami. And at this point po, we would like to introduce somebody na makakasama namin sa stage. Okay? They have been a part of ICAM for, kasi we have them until grade 4. If you would remember, during those times, ang boys natin hanggang grade 4 lang. But, they are still part of Batch 89. Okay? And we are very honored and pleased to have him with us here on the stage. He's from our 1984. He's my former classmate. Everlasting kami, 1984. So everybody, let's all welcome Mr. August Pizda.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello,
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let's make sure that this is we're gonna start the event today upbeat and that, okay? Anyway, I'd just like to introduce myself. Thank you for calling me, and I'd like to thank everyone for actually inviting me to be one of the MCs for today. Hello, Babsi and Rosel. Marisa, okay? It's the only time that I had a chance na makabalik po dito sa Immaculate Conception was actually yesterday. From the time we left in grade 4. Naalala niyo ba ang grade 4 lang yung mga lalaki po, di ba? Okay. At ang unang-unang kong tinanong sa lahat ng mga batchmates ko dito makikita mo ba si Sister Jean?
Yeah!
Kasi po, si Sister Jean, kapag nakikita ko talaga yung presence dahil mga bata pa tayo, pag parating pa lang, parang kinakatakutan na natin lahat.
Hindi po sa salbahe siya, pero talagang gano'n lang natin sa akin.
But I'm very happy. In fact, one of the things that I asked the moment I arrived here this afternoon is to check where Sister Jean is, and I'm very happy and privileged.
Yes, thank you very much, Sir Jean. Salamat po sa pagdating. Hindi ka pa nagbabago, sister.
Anyway, okay. Kasi we are actually coming from different batches, correct? Tama mo ba?
Second batch?
Alam mo Marisa, because right after college, I just want to inform all of you, I took up communication arts from the University of Santo Tomas. So, and right after that, my stint was with advertising. Okay, so I got employed with multinational ad agencies. So, sanay ako sa mga ganitong events. And ayoko yung matamlay yung audience Okay? One of the things that I want, most especially in the beginning, just to set the mood for today, is everybody please stand up. Okay?
What's it about? Okay, everybody stand up.
Can you give us a background music, please? This time, I'd like to request everyone. Normally, pag homecoming, ito yung mga makikita ninyo yung mga dati ninyong kasama. Even dun sa hindi nyo kabatch, tama? Gusto nyo makita ano na itsura niya ngayon. Gusto nyo ba, yung iba ayaw nila pumunta kasi natatakot sila baka I have not accomplished so much, di ba? But this time, I think it's about time to really just say hi to everyone. I have a contest for each one of you. The first one to form a group, at least 5, dapat ko siya 5 na yun, iba't ibang batches. Okay? We will give a special prize. We will provide umbrellas, gold umbrellas for you. The first 3 groups, first groups. So if you can go around now, first 3 groups, okay, maghanap po kayo ng iba't iba dapat ang batch niyo. Huwag po kayong tatakbo, ha, delikado, okay?
Except for 1954, kasi sila tita, tatlo lang sila. So, siguro we could have 2 batches sa isang ano.
Okay, dahan-dahan po. Dahan-dahan. We have to recognize. Okay. Okay.
Alright, thank you very much po. Yes, okay, we have 2 groups already sa taas. Sige po, the more the merrier. Go, go, go.
Okay. Only 3 groups. Only 3 groups.
3 groups na pala, sorry.
Okay, pero dapat iba't ibang batches, ha? Dapat iba't ibang batches. Okay. You're the first one to pour? That's very good. That's very good. Who's the second one to pour? Okay, very good. Third one.
Batch 89 kasama kayo, makakaya nyo kayo.
Oh, anyway, ito na yun. Okay. Mahilig yata sumayaw lahat ng mga taga-ikap, eh, no? Okay. So, dito po tayo, dito po tayo. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if they were able to form from different batches.
Ano binagban ng Got Talent na yan? Wala.
Okay, we have from 1959. Okay. Okay. More than 50 years. So congratulations. She's more than 50 years from the time she left Immaculate Conception. Sino po is Daisy, what's her last name? Daisy Navarro, okay? From 1965.
Right here, batch dito, 49 years. Next year, kami yung
Wow. Okay. And then the next one.
Sawyer Belen from 1964.
Yeah! 64!
Lourdes Lim from 1967.
Okay.
Alright.
Everybody, they're from different batches. You deserve a 5 umbrellas. Okay.
Yes, kami wala. Thank you po.
Sige po, baka mamaya pumagyo. Okay.
Di ba sasayaw? Alam mo sasayaw, go! Gusto ko lang. Ito, usama.
Okay.
Ayun kita. Okay, let's have this
Sige.
group. Let's have this group.
Sige po. Dyan muna kayo. Gusto niyo sumayaw. Okay. Come forward. Next one. Okay. Wow.
Alright, Tita. So we have Tita from 1974 your name.
Yeah, 1974. Awe.
Okay, Tita Wen.
From batch 1987, Bangge Evangelista.
Class 67, Ina Sangkalang, Takata. Batch 69, yay! Batch 69! Ano doon sa akin doon?
Batch 65, Lorel Tuque.
Okay. Maraming po salamat. So we have 5 umbrellas also for you. From 1967, 69, 19 ano po? 65 and the other one is 1974. So kayo yung tatlo, 1967, 1969, 1965, sila po tatlo, natapos po sa Immaculate Conception, hindi pa po ako sinisilan sa mundo. It is my privilege to meet you. It's my honor.
Okay, Lolo Solder, you over me.
I won it, bata-bata. Okay? Congratulations. Okay, ito po.
Thank you. Mamaya na daw yung dance number nila, mag-prepare pa sila. Okay, so we have this batch. Ito na kami.
Class 71, Helena Lujek. Batch 1981, Mary Grace Mendoza.
Let's give them a round of applause and let's recognize them.
Batch 85, Joy Unity. Dalawa Unity.
Batch 86, Jenny Enriquez Concepcion.
Ivy Sandalang Peñas, batch 88.
Wow! Okay. Isa lang siguro napansin ko, hindi pa rin kami tapos ng high school niya.
the least, our last batch. Jay! Tapos si Vicky, kasi kulang tayo ng batch. Okay.
Lavinia and Esico, batch 2000.
Ito, mas matamata to, 2000.
Beta Besanis, batch 1990. PKS Maria Banzon, batch 89.
Jopa Yonsho Mamahon, batch 1974.
Isa pa. Okay, thank you very much.
Ano po yung first batch na graduate ng Immaculate? 19 ano po?
1950 po? 50?
50? 1954?
1950, okay.
1950. Meron po dito nun? Nag-graduate ng 1950?
We have the honor of having 1954 here.
Okay.
Okay?